This next app is Slack, and I think it's great for teachers, professional educators. If you're working on curriculum with other educators in the district, but they are not in your building, this is a great way to stay organized without constantly having to send emails back and forth. You would have the app. It would be kind of like Instant Messenger, where you can actually message someone instantly, but you have channels, and within these channels, then you can load files, you can load ideas, and it's shared with the group instantly. You're not having to wait for an email or have a bunch of people respond, and then you have this whole long list of emails, and you don't know where your original email went, or if someone was able to respond or not. You're in the loop. It's easily organized and constantly right there, shared at your fingertips. Security is great. It's an app. It's not like you have to lug around a computer to talk to people. Files can easily get dropped into the channels. So if you found curriculum that you wanted to use, you could just plug it right in. Don't have to send an email file. You can just drop the file right in. I think it's great, and I'm actually going to talk with other team members and see if this might be applicable for what we are doing with our curriculum development for the next school year. And this, I believe, the ISTE for educational leaders is covered in this one, 2D and 2E, and even 5B.